Okay, this is our special quiz, 10 items for those who are in a synchronous class. Okay, prepare for yourself. You can answer it virtually by sending your answer online or in comment section, or you can get your 1/4 sheet of yellow pad for sending photos of your answer. Okay, this is the question in session 2 of our Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004 topic. Okay, under the subject Dispute Resolution and Crisis Management. Number 1 question. This is known as the Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004. Letter A, Republic Act 9285. Letter B, Republic Act 8285. Letter C, Republic Act 9258. Letter D, Republic Act 9582. Okay, proceed. Number 2, allows the parties to meet in order to settle a dispute. A, negotiation. B, mediation. C, arbitration. Or D, mediator. Okay, proceed to number 3. This is an informal alternative to litigation. Letter A, negotiation. B, mediation. C, arbitration. Or D, mediator. Number 4. This is expensive and risky. A, negotiation. B, mediation. C, litigation. Or D, mediator. Number 5. The term blank means that you and the other party meeting is used to settle a legal dispute outside the court. Okay, the term blank means that you and the other party's meeting is used to settle a legal dispute outside court. Letter A, negotiation. B, mediation. C, litigation. Or letter D, mediator. Number 6. Settle of a blank by the action of the intermediary or neutral party. A, dispute parties. B, conflicting parties. C, conflicting parties. D, competing parties. Okay, ulitin ko yung tanong. Settle of a dispute by the action of an intermediary of neutral party. A, dispute parties. B, conflicting parties. Letter C, conflicting parties. Or D, competing parties. Number 7. It helps people in a dispute communicate with one another and reach an agreement. It helps the people in a dispute communicate with one another and reach an agreement. Letter A, negotiation. B, mediation. C, litigation. Or letter D, mediator. Number 8. A person responsible for giving legal advice never makes a decision but recommends the terms of agreement. A, negotiation. B, mediator. Letter C, litigation. Or letter D, mediation. Number 9. If both parties do not reach an agreement, the claim can still be handled by the court. A, negotiation. B, mediator. C, litigation. Or letter D, arbitration. Number 10. It is an efficient and cost-effective way of achieving that result while preserving and enhancing the relationship between the parties. A, negotiation. B, mediator. C, litigation. D, mediation. Okay, that is all about the Alternative Dispute Resolution exam 1 to 10. That is the for session 2. Thank you for watching.